Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get YouTube Premium for free. So all what you need to go, which is going to YouTube, then you will check your channel weight, and then you will just go for Premium. You'll find here YouTube Premium, and then just to try 1 month for $0, and then you'll go for family student or whatever that you want to do it. Go for the family, try 1 month. In this section, guys, just add the credit or debit card, then go for weight, then have all the information here. I will just put this one. After putting all my information, guys, I will save the card. Then I will get the buy. So after that, guys, after putting all the card information and so on, you will just need to get the button that you are already in the premium services. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe.